Welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to remove virus from your Android phone, and this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone master. So open up your phone master right here. Then after you open up your phone master, next thing you need to do is to go to security scan right here. Then under security protection, scroll down right here, and then you see all the security reports right here. And if your phone have any viruses, you're going to see them like. And the next thing you need to do is to click on start scanning right here. So the phone will automatically scan for antivirus from the APK app you have for your phone or for any app that is risky to your phone right here. This might take much time. This depends on the number of apps and information you have on your phone. What you need to do is to make sure that allow the scan to run fully completed. Once it's fully completed, this bar here is going to full right here. Once it's full, then you'll be able to see any app that is dangerous to your phone. Once you identify a virus app, next thing you need to do is to simply delete the app. Then your phone will be safe and free from viruses. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.